So for not-for-profit organizations, our key project remains our not-for-profit financial statement project. Following the exposure of our 2015 proposals, we've decided to phase the project into two phases. In the first phase of the project, we will be looking at much of what was contained in the proposal, with a notable exception of most of the issues having to do with operating measures and related cash flow reclassifications. We expect to complete the first phase by about the middle of the year and issue a final accounting standards update on that.
The goal of the Disclosure Framework project is to improve the effectiveness of disclosures in notes to financial statements. So the project is split into two parts. First, we have the Disclosure Framework, which is designed to help the board make consistent decisions about disclosures. That Disclosure Framework has since been used to review various disclosures within GAAP. And then second, we have a clarification of the concept of materiality to help companies, to help entities make decisions about what information is most useful to investors. So this past September, we published the proposed clarification of the concept of materiality. That would be the standard that businesses, not-for-profit organizations, and others would use to determine what information is useful and should be disclosed.
Well, in 2016, the PCC will have a new chair, Candy Wright, and 3 new members, but it will be continuing its work on behalf of the private company sector, both in terms of looking at areas of existing GAAP, as well as advising on the FASB's active agenda projects. In the look-back area, the key area of focus will be on the application of variable interest entity guidance to arrangements of private companies under common control beyond what was already covered in the PCC alternative on leasing arrangements that was issued back in 2014. In the area of the FASB's active agenda projects, the PCC will have a lot to advise them on. There are all sorts of projects that aim to right-size GAAP for all organizations and companies that are encompassed in the FASB Simplification Initiative and Disclosure Framework project.